get the knowledge, and these points you can use it, to promote the products, and also if you're not using, you can introduce these products. Okay, and the first speaker Aditi, Aditi and so on, and good friends of ours. They are the day one onwards. They are into the system and building big business here in US. Please help me welcome Aditi.
Good evening everyone, this is Aditi and Shobhan, sponsored by Robi and Sweta. Today I am talking about Neutralite Perfect Pack. It's for your health. Neutralite is a #1 world leading company for vitamin, minerals and dietary supplement. And all products are plant based, come from organic farm, and so we get our nutrition directly from nature. And this product is awesome. And can we take everyday well balanced food? If you not, you should take this perfect pack. There has 3 dietary supplements that together support your diet when your eating habits don't. And there are 3 dietary supplements. Number 1, double X. Number 2, concentrated fruits and vegetables. And number 3, Ocean Essentials Balanced Health Omega-3. This one is double X. Since 1934. 62 tablets each, gold multivitamin, silver multimineral and bronze phytonutrient, and contains 12 essential vitamins, 10 essential minerals and 20 plant concentrates in a single serving. And it provides more vitamin B, more vitamin B6 and B12, and it also provides antioxidant. And if we take double X every day, twice a day, this is the same amount of 33 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1.5 chicken breast, 7 cups of cantaloupe, and 7.75 quarters of low fat milk, 6 cups of baked beans and 22 medium bananas and 4.2 cups of peas. Can you imagine that much of food in double X twice a day? We never take that much food every day in our diet. And the second one is concentrated fruits and vegetables, a phytonutrient dietary supplement, 60 tablets, and offers 10 plus servings of phytonutrient from fruits and vegetables and plants in just 2 tablets. And these 2 tablets are equivalent of 1 medium tomato, 3 whole orange, 1 cup spinach, 2 cups green peas, 5 whole medium apples and 1.5 cups of raspberries. So much fruits and vegetables in 2 tablets. And number 3 is Ocean Essential Balanced Health Omega-3, 90 soft gel that offers DHA omega-3 to support memory, learning and concentration. It also protects nerves, keep blood flowing and joints moving. If we take 3 soft gel every day throughout the week, then we found same amount of 15.75 ounces of ocean fish. So all these supplements together build a healthy life for our daily life. And these concentrated fruits and vegetables and this double X, this is the supplements carry the NSF international certification for sport. And retail price is $146.25. IBO cost $95.06, and its PB is very high, is 41.95. And I'm done with that. I want to share one of my experience about this product. 3-4 months back, I went to my general physician office and she did my couple of blood tests and she found my uric acid was so high. It's 55. She told me it's so high. She concerned for me and she told me we'll come back again after 1-2 months. I'll check again. And recently I went there. In the meantime, in this 2 months I already started my perfect pack, the double eggs and the concentrated fruits and vegetables. And recently I went there and she again checked up my uric acid in blood. Everything is perfect, and she was surprised. You can guess my uric acid now 5.
Oh my
It's calmed down 55 to 5, and she was surprised. And I told her I'm taking this perfect pack and concentrated fruits and vegetable, and she was happy. She told me these all products are good. It's all are herbal and plant based. No chemicals here. You can take it. So I glad to share that things, and I'm done with that. And
Fantastic.
That is awesome.